Hi everyone. Nowadays most of the people asking me how to boost their immune system or how to improve the quality of their immune system. So this is mainly because of the COVID-19 pandemic. But still, if you are able to improve your quality of immune system, it will be helpful not only in the COVID-19 pandemic but also in the future pandemics, endemics and all other infectious situations. So today I am going to focus 10 most important steps to improve the quality of your immune system. I am Dr. Sanjay, general practitioner, health educator and social influencer. So I would like to invite all of you to subscribe my channel so that you would get all the important updates of my channel. In addition, I am very happy to respond to your comment. So I am inviting you to share your issues with me. 10th most important thing to boost your immune system is proper hygienic practices. So hygiene is not a new term to society, but still we could see proper hand washing techniques, using of face masks, alcohol hand rubs only after COVID-19 pandemic. So not only these steps, there are lot of other hygienic practices. So if you are using proper hygienic practices, you are protected from most of the respiratory infections, gastrointestinal infections, eye infections and also some skin infections and so much more. So I would invite you to follow proper hygienic practices to get protected from infections. Ninth most important thing to boost your immune system is the no use of alcohol or moderate use of alcohol. So some cultures are entertaining use of alcohol a lot, while other cultures are not that entertaining use of alcohol. So some religions are prohibiting alcohol while some religions are not prohibiting the alcohol. So use of alcohol is mostly depend on these religious and cultural beliefs. But as health professionals, what we have seen is there are some benefits of using alcohol in a moderate amounts, especially to your heart. But still, use of alcohol would do more harm than protecting your body. Especially, it would protect your heart while damaging your liver. In addition to liver damage, it will increase the risk of MI, stroke, and so much of other NCDs. So, in the sense of immune system, there are a lot of free radicals created during the process of metabolism of alcohol. So these free radicals would damage your immune system. So if you are interested in improving your immune system, you have to avoid use of large amount of alcohol, or you have to limit the alcohol use to a moderate level. Eighth most important thing to boost your immune system is cessation of smoking. You know, there are a lot of adverse effects of using smoking. Usually, smoking causes a lot of cancers in your body. Esophageal cancers, oral cancers, lung cancers, and also bladder cancers are there. And there are a lot of other cancers. So, in addition to this cancer risk, there are a lot of NCDs in your body if you are using smoking. As an example, it will highly increase the risk of strokes, MI, and some other NCDs. In addition to these, it has a lot of bad impact to your immune system. As an example, it will create a lot of free radicals, and these free radicals will damage your immune system, and function of whole immune system will be reduced. So in addition to this, it locally damage your respiratory lining. The respiratory lining is the one which protects you from a lot of virus infections, bacterial infections, and lot of dust particles to enter your body. So if your respiratory lining is damaged, you are prone to get a lot of respiratory infections. So in the sense of immunity, the smoking causes a lot of damage to your body. So if you are really interested in increasing the ability of your immune system, please stop smoking today itself. Seventh most important thing to boost your immune system is having meditations. We have seen there are many people practicing meditation in Asia as a day-to-day practice. As an example, in India, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand, you will see a lot of people who are doing these meditations as a day-to-day practice. So these meditations will help you to improve your regeneration process. So this regeneration would boost your immune system too. So if you are interested in improving your quality of immune system, it's very important to have some meditations as a daily routine. Sixth most important thing to boost your immune system is having exercises. So when you are doing exercises, your circulatory functions will be improved and your regeneration processes will be improved. So as a result, you will have healthy immune system. So if you are really interested in having a good immune system, it is necessary to have exercises. But when we are talking about exercises, it should be moderate exercises, because when you are doing strenuous level of exercises, it will create unnecessary damage to your body's tissues. So this tissue damage can't be recovered very easily and it will create unnecessary stress to your body. So especially this kind of situation, if you are really interested in improve your immune system, you have to do moderate amount of exercises as a routine. Sleep is the next important thing to boost your immune system. You need some kind of a rest after long hours of working. So your sleeping time would be the most important time of your daily life, because after long working hours, you have created a lot of stress and lot of unnecessary metabolites in your body. So these will be removed from your body during the sleeping hours. In addition, you will have adequate amount of time to regenerate your body and correct the issues in DNAs and other replication processes. So it's very important to have a good sleep. So what is the adequate amount of sleep? Usually we recommend around 6 hours of sleep is very good for your health. So fourth important thing to boost your immune system is having adequate water and other fluids. So we know all the living organisms are developed at the water. So most of the functions of our body needs adequate amount of water. So enzyme functions and lot of other metabolic functions need adequate amount of water as a medium. So if we don't have adequate amount of water, we will have a lot of troubles when we are maintaining our daily life. So take adequate amount of fluids as a daily routine. Third important thing to boost your immune system is having a stress-free lifestyle. Usually most of us doing very stressful jobs. So between our working hours, we need adequate rest. Unless this stress created in our body create a lot of catabolic functions. So these will reduce your immune system. So make sure that you are having adequate leisure time and adequate sleep, so that improve your immune system. Second most important thing to boost your immune system is having healthy foods. So when we are talking about foods, most of the people asking me what are the immune boosting food. So more than focusing on immune boosting food, you have to focus on having balanced diet. So if you are having adequate proper balanced diet, this will ensure that you will get adequate amount of micro and macronutrients. So this will help you to get protected from lot of infectious conditions. However, there are a lot of vitamins and minerals that will help you to boost your immune system, like vitamin A, C, E, and some of the minerals like selenium and zinc. These will improve your quality of immune system. So if you are so interested to increase your immune system, take some foods with these minerals and vitamins. Having vaccine is the most important thing to boost your immune system. We know there are lot of infectious diseases around us. Some are very pathogenic and you can't fight against them easily. So in such situations you need some kind of vaccine against them. So if you are taking vaccine, you are prepared to fight against them and you will not infected with them. So you have to take vaccines whenever possible. This will ensure that you will get adequate amount of immunity against these type of infections, especially like COVID-19. So finally, if you follow all these steps, I ensure that you will have very less amount of infections during your future life. So finally, I would like to thank all of you who watch my video until the end, and also make sure that you subscribe my channel so that you would get all my future updates. Thank you.